All right, people, we're back. Yes. Guess who is here? Yes, yes, yes. Colas and crew. Isa.
No joke.
No joke. Yes. Everybody in the house. Yes, guys. So, adventure time. I'm excited. Yes, stay tuned. It's gonna be fun.
Oh no, because you have on black, you can't come on the meeting.
It's not video. So I get to boot them.
I'm gonna photo bomb it.
Ready? Ready?
Ready?
Look. Immediately attracted to it because
Okay, people, we're going up there. Yes.
so we are here at the beautiful, beautiful waterfall.
Yes. So that's just the beginning, and we're going further up. So stay tuned. And then after the waterfall, we're having a little cookout. Yes, with Cola's TV and Nicole and me and the whole crew. And yes, so stay tuned. So I'm very excited because it's been a while I haven't been here to this waterfall. So guys, come with me. We're going there. We check it out. Once you need a boat to get anywhere, yes, then that's exciting, and then you can prepare for something nice. Oh wow. I should be used to it by now, but I'm not. This is cold. Once I go inside, it's alright?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. This is cold. Oh. For the vlog, I guess. No. Do not. I need my time to peacefully go in. Yes, is this fun though? Where is this coming from? Yeah, I just try to get in. Why? Yeah. my heart stop. And then it's all good. Oh, I see. Can you hear what I'm saying? I tried my best to talk. In the water? Yes. Something to Nicole, and let's see if she can understand what I'm saying.
How should I be able to do that?
We go down.
Oh, alright.
You just listen to me.
First of all, the sound carries the water?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
Dolphins.
I know they're special.
Are you ready?
1, 2, 3. It sounded like.
Sounded like, how are you doing?
No.
No.
It sounded like you were being abducted. In a trunk.
Like what?
You were being abducted in a trunk.
Oh my god, that don't sound good. The less it gets, right? So beautiful. Back and we're going on the next trip. Yes. I love it. Woo. Our boat is coming. Getting ready. Our turn now, so we're going on the boat. Yes, and the boat will bring us to the falls. Yay! Magic! Yeah. Everybody on board? You're not coming? No! Wow, this is so cool, people. Let's see what's behind there. Yeah! You hear the waterfall? I love it. It's so cool. Yes, adventure time, best time. We're outside, nature. Yes. Oh, look at this, so beautiful. And those colors. Oh guys, I love adventures. This is so cool. Look, amazing. This is so cool. So nice, and the green colors are so popping. Oh, this was amazing. I got a natural spa. The perfect scenery for another sequel for Lord of the Rings or something. We didn't want you to take a boat, so if you don't take boat, you have to swim back. Yeah. So, can I stand up? Hey, Spider, stand up. You can listen to him. You run. People, we are here and we are ready to go to the cookout. Are you ready as well? I'm so hungry. Yeah. Oh, and even the walkway is so beautiful. Is this cute? Is this so cute? Yeah, between these wines. Ta-da! Rain is falling. We're officially in Portland. Hi people, we're going over to the sea. So we're passing through this place called Little Porty. Yes, best fish by the way. If you want to eat a nice, good fry snapper or steam snapper, then you have to come here. So we're going to look for a spot where we can have our little cookout. See if we find something where it's nice. Yay! Sweet pepper, onion, plantain, tomato. Best. And the view, excellent. Little fruit salad. We have with the banana, and we have mango. We have Jamaican apple. And what is this? Can you guys guess the name? Please leave it in the comments below. Yes. Alright. Pineapple. Alright. Nice. Fruitsy.
Janta. Yo. Come in.
I'm not sure if you guessed it right, but yes, the name is Mommy, and it tastes delicious. There's actually not a lot of meat on it, but the seed is very big.
I'm like really shocked.
You see guys, that's already the seed, so it's only this part is the meat. Oh, it's so nice. You want some? I want to try it. So yeah.
Basically, I get this prepared. I'm going to look on this.
That's what inside supposed to look?
Mommy, isn't it?
There's a big seed in there.
Fruit bowl, so get your table over there. So. We got some ripe banana, we got mangoes, we got apple, and of course. So basically I get a 360 cook, you know.
Oh.
The one that we have, that get fire from all and this is done faster.
Oven. Alright people, I'm working on my fruit bowl. So let's see, I'm supposed to get some pineapple as well in here. Yeah. And my nice calabash. Yeah. Super sweet. Yeah man, that's the life. So good. Well, usually if it's not that ripe, it looks so pretty.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah, I think this one may be a little bit too ripe.
Yeah. Fruit bowl. I'm so hungry, so this will be a little appetizer. So we have in here banana, apple, mommy, pineapple, mango, and all the good stuff. I do fruit salad. Yeah. Pineapple is so sweet. Sugar. Mango. My favorite. Jamaican apple. Banana.
Yep.
Mommy. Fruit salad is so nice. Perfect. Really good. Getting my vitamins. It's beautiful. Oh dear. I love it. And guys, this is rarely you see this so flat. Usually right here, it's quite rough. Walking just take too much time. So we have to run to get there faster. All right.
For one night.
Yeah. What?
Yeah.
Like 6 or so.
Yeah, man, you need a flat stone. Anyways, with the
Pana move. And yeah, curfew time and everything. So we have to manage the time. So we have. Here, water.
What we have to do now is get on the starfish.
Spicy. dip into the salt water. Something goes on?
Yeah, man, the part when you get deep in the salt water. Now try this.
One little piece. Deeper. I'm gonna see if this is true. Let's say dip this into salt water and then eat it. Yeah, that's not more. Yeah, man, it's a vibe. We never dip good. We never dip good. So good. This breadfruit here. And delicious.
Doing everything one time. And do you like my for this chicken? That's all the onion. If you eat side, you make them cook properly. And now that you get them from bird, you normally like it. I got 4 before now. You ready? That's right, man. Come on, get in the water.
That's our last water.
Throw it out, man. Throw it out.
And perfect.
Alright, so
Yeah.
what we need to do now is eat one next 2 minutes.
Lovely.
And so we're gonna now waste no time. Sorry about the time in the plate, but
Alright.
the movements.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna plate them come. Yellow. Ah, innocent. You want more? You want more breakfast?
People, lunchtime. Yeah. All right. Ready for this now? Oh. I'm so ready for this part. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, let's see. Yeah. Pick up yourself, Colas. Nice. Isa. If not everybody's saying Isa by end of the day. Something wrong. You say Isa?
Yeah.
Yeah. Delicious.